so that you can actually pick a color, like you
just
can
leave
grab a
band
color and save it.
This
to
Once I print
and
it,
then like,
ultrasonic.
and then I think the far future is like this should be a little self-contained stick that USB connects to the phone
Okay.
and then displays things there, and you can see it
stuff.
about it. It's just
So
90% of
we can kind of all go over just the basics.
This is why coaches don't play.